Bienvenue à Paris! No, I'm kidding. Welcome to Las Vegas. We are staying at the Paris Hotel for 2 nights. So let's head inside and check out Paris in Las Vegas. Bonjour, bienvenue in our Caribe commune.
You speak very good French.
Gracias.
Bienvenue in our room at the Paris in Las Vegas. We checked in early, complimentary, so that was absolutely amazing. We upgraded our room for only $11 a night, so let's take you on a little tour through this room, starting with this amazing chair where I can have my morning coffee and an awful view. What I love about this room, there is a fridge. I really do love that they are bringing fridges back to the hotels in the Las Vegas Strip. Also, a safe in case you need it. Big television. The only thing that is I think my perfectionistic side of me. So the TV is here, but the bed is like right here. That bothers me a lot.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Yeah. Nice little desk area. All your drinks and your snacks. But do not touch it because it will cost you $1 million. It's censored, so don't touch it ever. All right, onto the bathroom. Very, very spacious bathroom. Some nice space here to put your toiletries. They even have like a body lotion for you, a soap for you, lots of towels, hair dryer, fantastic. But just look at this. Look at this insane shower. Just look how massive this space is. It's like for 1 million people. 1 million people. It's insane. I really like this. It's clean, it looks clean. You can even just sit down and just put on the hot water and pretend you're in a sauna or anything. I really, really like this bathroom. So now it's time for the most important part of our room tour. We checked the bed, it's clean. So here we go with the bed test. Ooh. Oh yes, lovely. Double pillows, which I love. And for now it is Sanny proof, but I will let you know how our sleep was in the end of the video. Big names, who's your favorite? Mine, Gordon Ramsay. Parking garage at the Paris, shared with the horseshoe as well. 8 levels. And ride share, it's all the way down there. $20 from Monday to Wednesday, and Thursday till Sunday, it's $25. All right, it is time to check out. Checkout time here is 11 a.m. in the morning. So we're gonna pack up our things and I'm gonna share my overall experience here at the Paris on the Las Vegas trip. This is our very first time staying at the Paris, so we were really excited. The pros of this hotel are absolutely location, because it is center strip, it is right across the Bellagio, so you can just go anywhere. Another pro is this room. We did a upgrade to the Bordeaux King room, which is an absolutely spacious room. The bed is nice, the bathroom is really spacious, so we overall really liked this room. Another pro, when we arrived very early. I think it was around between 12 and 1. Check-in starts at 3 p.m. So we asked the lady, can we just leave our luggage anywhere, because, well, it's too early to check in. And she told us you can check in right now, and it was absolutely complimentary. So that was really amazing. Some cons: this is a Caesars property. You can only connect 2 devices to the Wi-Fi. Any third device, it will cost you $14.99. Also, another con which makes me feel a little unsafe is that you do not need to tap your room key when you want to go to your floor. So anybody, even non-guest of this hotel, can just enter any floor they want. Also, another con is, well, not really a con, but it is really an expensive food and beverage. You have like restaurants from Gordon Ramsay here, Martha Stewart, Lisa Vanderpump. Those restaurants are pretty expensive. So we hadn't had a meal here because we want to show you that you can do Vegas for cheap as well. Anyways, our total price of 2 nights. We arrived on a Sunday and we're leaving on a Tuesday. The total amount for us is, including the upgrade we did, is $147.26. So overall, for the location, it is absolutely a steal. It's a good price. You're dead center strip, so I would highly recommend this hotel. I really hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you ever stayed at the Paris on the Las Vegas Strip. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Ja?
Ja.
Bienvenue.
Wat doe jij? Gewoon de boom.
Dat was het? Nee toch?